எனது அருமை யூடியூப் வியூவர்ஸ்க்கு வணக்கம். இது TNTET யூடியூப் சேனல். நான் இந்த சேனல்ல தொடர்ந்து நிறைய வீடியோ அப்லோட் பண்ணலான்னு இருக்கேன். ஸோ நீங்க மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்பதான் நான் தொடர்ந்து போடக்கூடிய அனைத்து வீடியோக்களையும் நீங்க தொடர்ந்து பார்க்க முடியும். இது வரைக்கும் நான் தமிழ் சிலபஸ் போட்டிருக்கேன், இங்கிலீஷ் சிலபஸ் போட்டிருக்கேன், சைக்காலஜி சிலபஸ் போட்டிருக்கேன், மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ் சிலபஸ் போட்டிருக்கேன். ஸோ கடைசியா சயின்ஸ் சிலபஸ் நம்ம இப்போ பார்த்தலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் அப்ளைட் பயாலஜி, த வேர்ல்ட் ஆஃப் பிளான்ட்ஸ், medicinal plants, plants as food, fiber yielding plants, ornamental plants, timber yielding plants, spices, animals and their uses, health and hygiene, food habits, food variety, food materials and sources, plant and animal products used as food, nutrition, types of nutrition, food habits of animals, components of foods, nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats and minerals, need of various nutrients, balanced diet, deficiency and diseases, world of animals, biodiversity, different types of organisms, unicellular and multicellular organisms, life process, structural organization of cell, the cell, types of cell, plant and animal cell, comparison, the cell structure and functions, environmental science, resource use and management, our environment, garbage, disposal of garbage, vermicomposting, pollution, types of pollution, air, water, land and noise pollution, matter, separation of substances, separation and its importance, definition, methods of separation, handpicking, winnowing, sieving, magnetic separation, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, evaporation, condensation and crystallization, need of separation by more than one method, exploring chemical changes and formulation, changes around us, classification of changes, slow and fast, reversible and irreversible, desirable and undesirable, periodic and non-periodic, exothermic and endothermic, exploring the world, chemistry in everyday life, synthetic fibers, types and uses of plastics, plastics and environment, glass and uses, cement and uses, soaps, detergents, preparation and uses, matter and measurement, standard unit of measurement, length, time and mass, SI unit, multiples and sub-multiples of units, forces and movement, motion, moving things around us, types of motion, linear and circular, uniform and non-uniform, science today, robot, exploring energy, types of energy, source of energy, electricity, chemical, mechanical and solar energy, exploring phenomena, magnetism, discovery of magnets, magnetic and non-magnetic materials, magnetic poles, preparation of magnets, science today, flying trains, light, source of light, shadows, path of light, pinhole camera, plane mirrors and reflection. Standard 7 applied biology, animals in daily life, uses of animals, animal products, food, clothing, etc., animal fibers, sericulture, apiculture, poultry, animal protection and maintenance, health and hygiene, nutrition in plants and animals, mode of nutrition in plants, autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition, photosynthesis, other modes of nutrition in plants, nutrition in animals, nutrition in amoeba, human digestive system, types of teeth, ruminants, my body, human body, form and function, brief overview of human body, structure and functions of all the human organ systems, the body and health as understood in the Indian system of healthcare, diseases, disorders and preventing diabetes mellitus, advantages of physical activity, preservation of food, methods of preservation like heating, freezing, drying and adding preservatives, fast food, its ill effects, science today, irradiated food, world of plants, morphology, characteristic of living things, habitat, various herbs, shrubs and trees, parts of plant, root, stem, leaves and flowers, modification of roots, stem and leaves, kinds of stem, movements in plants, observation of plants and trees, recording data, drawing, world of animals, basis of classification, need for classification, the 5 kingdom classification, binomial nomenclature, life process, respiration in plants and animals, need for respiration, respiration in human being, respiration in animals, respiration in plants, environmental science, ecology, ecosystem, biotic and abiotic factors, food chain, food web, flow of energy, biomes, the different biomes, vegetation and climatic zones, importance of forest, different flora and fauna in the biomes, environmental science, resource use and management, water, a precious resource, availability of water, source of water, forms of water, groundwater, depletion of water, distribution of water, scarcity of water, water management, rainwater harvesting, science today, drinking iceberg, desalination of seawater, sweet water on earth, matter in our surroundings, physical nature of matter, characteristics of particles of matter, states of matter, effect of temperature on solid, liquid and gas, exploring chemical changes and formulation, matter and its nature, physical changes, crystallization, melting, evaporation, freezing and sublimation, chemical changes, rusting of iron, burning and curdling, chemical reaction of baking soda with lemon juice, differences between physical and chemical changes, acids, bases and salts used in our daily life, natural indicators, no equations, neutralization in everyday life, exploring the world, combustion and flame, combustion and its type, fire control, flame and its structure, efficiency of fuels, fuel and environment, matter and measurement, idea of derived quantities, area, volume and density of solids and liquids, concept of indirect measurement or estimation, example, time, simple pendulum, measuring astronomical distances, force and movement, motion, speed, measuring speed and units of speed, distance, time graph, velocity, acceleration, science today, adventure in sports like a bird flies, exploring energy, electricity and heat, electric cell and electric circuit, symbols of electric components, electric switch, conductors and insulators, heating effect of electric current, magnetic effect of electric current, electromagnet, electric bell, heat, source of heat, sun, combustion or burning, friction, electrical, hot and cold objects, heat and temperature, measuring temperature, clinical and laboratory temperatures, exploring phenomena, light, reflection, plane mirror, right and left, images of spherical mirrors, sunlight, 7 colors, dispersion and synthesis of colors, Newton's disk. Next, standard 8th, applied biology, crop production and management, agricultural practices, basic practices of crop production, preparation of soil and sowing, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting, storage, marketing, rotation of crops, biotechnology in agriculture, biotechnology in food processing, health and hygiene, reaching the age of adolescence and puberty, secondary sexual characters, ductless glands, role of hormones in reproduction, reproductive phase of life in human, sex determination, reproductive health, nutritional needs, personal hygiene, prevention and protection from sexual and other abuse, smoking hazards, sprouting, cancer and prevention, my body, body movements, human body and its movements, joints and types of joints, skeleton, movements of animals, earthworm, cockroach, birds, fish and snakes, world of plants, pictorial future of plant kingdom, fungi, flowering and non-flowering, algae, bryophytes, deritophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, monocotyledons, dicotyledons, structure of root, structure of stem, structure of leaf, world of animals, microorganisms, virus, bacteria, algae, fungi and protozoa, uses of microorganisms in medicine, agriculture, industry and daily living, harmful microorganisms, microbes in food preservation, relationship between man and microbes, balances, imbalances and uses, life process, diversity in living organism, cell as a fundamental unit of life, type of human cells related to functions, structure and function of all organelles in brief, organization, cells, tissues, organs, organ system, homeostasis, cellular respiration, metabolism, design of the body based on function, some examples. Environmental science, ecology, conservation of plants and animals, conservation of forest and wildlife, deforestation and afforestation, flora and fauna, endangered species, red data book, migration, wildlife sanctuary and national park, threats to biodiversity, traditional knowledge and people's initiative and biodiversity conservation, human wildlife conflicts, environmental science, resource and use management, pollution of air, water and soil, air pollution, sources of air pollution, water pollution, sources of water pollution, water purification, land pollution, sources of land pollution, science today, biopole, easily decomposable and reusable plastics, matter, elements and compounds around us, types of pure substances, element, occurrence of elements in nature, elements found in human body, classification of elements based on states, solids, liquids, gases, classification of elements based on properties, symbol and elements, molecule of an element, compound, characteristics of compounds, classification of compounds, uses of compounds, day-to-day life, molecule of compound, formula of compound, valency, atomic structure, ancient views of atomic structure, laws of chemical combination, Dalton's atomic theory, merits, demerits, electrical nature of matter, discovery of fundamental particles, discovery of electrons, properties of cathode rays, discovery of protons, properties of fundamental particles, atomic model, J.J. Thomson's model of atom, limitation of Thomson model, exploring the world, coal and petroleum, coal, types of coal, petroleum, occurrence and refining, natural gas, natural resources, limitation, science today, matter and measurement, measurement, SI, system of units, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity, angle, solid angle, forces and movement, force and pressure definition, state of motion, action of force and its effects, contact forces, non-contact forces, magnetic forces, gravitational force, electrostatic force, pressure, pressure exerted by liquids and gases, pressure exerted by air, atmospheric pressure, Pascal's law, friction, factors affecting friction, friction, necessary evil, increasing and reducing friction, exploring energy, electricity and heat, three kinds of circuit, simple, series and parallel, conduction of electricity in liquids, chemical effects, electric current, applications of chemical effects of electric current, electroplating, electric charges at rest, types of charges, transfer of charges, story of lightning and thunder lightning, safety, heat, effects of heat, transfer of heat, conduction, convection and radiation, exploring phenomena, light, laws of reflection, regular and irregular reflections, multiple reflections, multiple images, reflection, Snell's law not included, dispersion, using prisms, total internal reflection, human eye, image formation, sound, sound needs a medium for propagation, sound produced by human ear and hearing, amplitude, time period and frequency vibration, audible and inaudible sounds, noise pollution, science today, fiber optics, sending message by light. இது எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு சயின்ஸ் சிலபஸ்ல வரும். ஸோ இந்த பகுதிகளை நீங்க படிச்சாலே சயின்ஸ் பகுதிகளில் கேட்கக்கூடிய வினாக்களுக்கு உங்களால பதிலளித்து நல்ல மதிப்பெண் நீங்க பெற முடியும். டெட் எழுத போகும் அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு மீண்டும் மற்றொரு வீடியோவில் உங்களை சந்திக்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.